In this video, I'll show you how to become part of this trending Add Your sticker called National Couple Day on Instagram. So if you want to become a part of this trending Add Your sticker, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, first go to your app store, search for Instagram and make sure it's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here on Instagram, you're searching for the following account. So tap on search and search for Add Your Sticks. Go ahead and visit the profile page for this account. Scroll down in the highlight section. In Jan 2024 P3, go ahead and browse through these trending Add Yours stories. Within those, you'll find the National Couple Day story, and there it is. So to become a part of this trending Add Your story, go ahead and tap on Add Yours. Now you want to go ahead and post a picture of you and your other half. Now after you've done that, go ahead and post the story to Instagram. And there you go. That is how to become a part of this National Couple Day Add Yours Instagram story. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.